In this lesson, you'll learn to understand more of the range of tone your camera can capture and how the choice of exposure affects this. Dynamic range is the ratio between the maximum and the minimum light intensities your camera can record in a single frame. It's the difference between the lightest and the darkest tone your cameras can record. As I've mentioned a number of times, our cameras are not so capable as our eyes. The scope of tone that your camera can record is far more limited compared to what our eyes can see. This is changing as camera sensors are technologically advancing. Film cameras and older digital cameras were even more limited in their dynamic range capture capabilities. Photographing in bright light can result in images where the dynamic range of your camera is exceeded. This means there will be detail lost in the highlights or the shadows, or maybe both. It depends on how you expose your photos in conditions like this. In the previous lesson, I talked about how your exposure meter is calibrated to perceive every tone as middle grey. In bright light, every tone will not be middle grey, so you must make choices about what part of your composition is most important. If you choose to set your camera to the average setting, the camera will calculate the exposure based on its algorithms and decide the exposure to set or indicate that you should use. Using the spot meter, you can choose the part of your composition you decide is most important to have well exposed. I talked about this back in lesson 22 of the first module. When the light is more even and diffused, the tone range in your composition will be reduced. Your camera is more likely to be able to record an entire tone range without losing any detail. The dynamic range captured in a RAW image will be greater than in a JPEG. With a RAW image, you can manipulate it during post-processing to increase or decrease the dynamic range more than you can with a JPEG. Dynamic range is a subject that requires more study and practice to understand it well. That's how wide the tone range is that your camera sensor can record in a single exposure. Find something interesting to photograph outdoors on a sunny day if you can. Set your camera to manual mode and your meter to averaged and take a few photos. Next, set your meter into spot. Take an exposure reading from the brightest part of your composition and set your exposure so the meter is reading 0 and take a few more photos. Now, with your metering still set to spot, take a reading from the darkest part of your composition and set your exposure so the meter is reading 0. Find a shady area and repeat the process you've just worked through. And take good notes about each step that you take and what you're observing. Dynamic range is the ratio between the maximum and minimum light intensities. In a single frame, your camera cannot record the same tone range your eyes can see. The dynamic range captured in a RAW image will be greater than that in a JPEG.